Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add or remove your accountant in QuickBooks Online. Managing accountant access correctly is important because these users may need to work directly with your company's financial information. If you need to manage who has professional access to your books, QuickBooks makes that process fairly simple. This is useful when you're bringing in a new accountant, switching firms, or removing access for someone who no longer works with your business. Regularly reviewing this access can also help you keep your QuickBooks account organized and make sure former accountants or firms don't continue to have unnecessary access. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in as the primary admin or a company admin, because only those roles can change accountant permissions. If you don't see the options we're covering in this video, checking your current user role is a good first troubleshooting step. Once you're inside your QuickBooks Online dashboard, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon, which is also labeled Settings. From the menu that appears, select Manage Users. This is where QuickBooks lets you control access for different types of users connected to your company file. It's a useful section to become familiar with whenever you need to review who can access your business information. When the Manage Users page opens, look near the top for the Accounting Firms or Accountants tab. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your account, but this is the section you need for managing your accountant access. If your QuickBooks interface looks a little different, focus on finding the section specifically related to accountants or accounting firms. If you want to add a new accountant or accounting firm, click the Invite or Invite Firm button. QuickBooks will then ask you to enter the accountant's name and email address. Fill in those details carefully, since the invitation will be sent directly to that email. It's worth double-checking the email address before continuing, so the invitation reaches the correct person. Once everything looks correct, click Save. QuickBooks will immediately send an activation link so the accountant can securely connect their firm to your books. This gives them the access they need without requiring you to share your own login information, which is the safer and recommended method. Your accountant can use their own credentials, so you can keep your personal QuickBooks login private while still giving them the professional access they need. If, instead, you need to remove an accountant, stay on the same Accounting Firms to Systems or Accountants tab. Find the name of the accountant or firm you want to remove from the list. On the right side, under the Action column, click Delete. Take a moment to verify the name before continuing, particularly if several accountants or firms appear in your account. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm the change. In a pop-up window, click Delete Again to confirm. Once you do that, their access is removed right away, and they will no longer be able to sign into your company through that accountant connection. This is especially useful when you've changed accountants, ended a professional relationship, or simply need to clean up old account access. As a quick tip, always double-check that you are removing the correct person before confirming, especially if you work with more than one financial professional. Keeping this list updated helps protect your business data and ensures only the right people have access. It's also a good practice to review your users periodically, so you know exactly who currently has permission to access your company information. That's all there is to it. You now know how to add or remove your accountant in QuickBooks Online. By keeping accountant permissions up to date, you can make collaboration easier while maintaining better control over access to your financial records.